In this video, I'm going to be talking about how long should your copy be. And this is actually a very common question that's asked all the time. And the truth is, there is no one right answer. And the thing is, length of your copy actually does not matter. What does matter is that you cover the essentials of your message without including any unnecessary information. So it's commonly said that copy is like a woman's skirt. It should be long enough to cover the essentials, but short enough to keep it interesting. And that's actually a pretty good way of summarizing it. So I don't know if that resonates with you or not. But the point is, we want to make sure that we cover all the points that'll convince our reader to take an action, but we also don't want to bore them with irrelevant information. So if you're selling a simple product, like a water bottle, then you probably don't need that much copy. But if you're selling an investment kit where it takes more convincing to get the reader to take an action, then you're going to need to have longer copy, just by the nature of the product you're selling. Now, a general rule of thumb is readership falls off dramatically in the first 50 words of your copy, but after that, readership stays the same up to 500 to 1,000 words. So what that means is you're going to have some people that are just going to read the first couple of words and stop. But after that, it really doesn't matter how long your copy is. In most cases, your reader is going to keep reading your copy. And actually, some sales pages are over 8 pages long, and they're still really effective. So it's just really important that you're covering the essentials, but also keeping it interesting and not too long. But other than that, don't worry about the length of your copy. It really doesn't make that big of a difference.